in my Bar Mitzvah, so-called, I never set foot in a synagogue until I was in my 20s. My Bar Mitzvah consisted of an assignment that my father gave me to research the prophet Amos, I think it was, Amos. And so I did a term paper, as it were, at age 13, of, I don't know, 30 pages or so about the prophet Amos with his writings and various scientific discoveries about that age and how he fit into it and so forth and so forth. And my father then invited a number of his friends to come to the house, and I presented him with this thesis I had written. And we then celebrated with my mother's honey cake, lekach, and some bronfen, some whiskey for the adults, not for me. And that was my Bar Mitzvah, which was part of his thinking of how Jewish traditions should be maintained.